Hey everybody, this is the original Josh back again with Kranzle USA Pressure Washer Perfection, and today we are continuing our plumbing tips series, and the topic for this series is deionized water. So you may recognize this scuba tank looking device over here as a deionizing tank. It is very helpful for washing your car, especially in that final spot-free rinse. As we deionize water or run it through this device, the water goes in with impurities but comes out almost completely pure, and because of that high level of purity, it is extremely hungry for minerals. So when it's being used to flush the outside of your car, it's grabbing all the leftover dirt from your car wash and carrying it away from the surface so that it's completely clean after it dries. So when you're using the deionized system with your pressure washer, we recommend that you only run the deionized system for the final rinse of the vehicle. Running it through the pressure washer all the time is technically somewhat wasteful because the chemicals that you're adding to the water to wash the outside of the vehicle is just like adding dirt to the deionized water. So it's somewhat unnecessary. In addition to being unnecessary, you're using up your media faster because you're running it through it all the time, and the media for this isn't necessarily cheap. So I know you want to save some money, so make sure when you are using your DI system with your pressure washer, only do so with that final rinse. That's why these units come with bypass systems, and your plumbing should be set up to do that as well. So on the topic of it being mineral hungry, that great water for rinsing all the dirt off the outside of your car isn't so good for the inside of your pump. The stainless steel and forged brass housing that this pump is made out of is very resistant to corrosion and will withstand many years of service. However, when we put that deionized water through the pump, it will try to attack those surfaces and can promote corrosion on those areas of the pump. And over many uses, that will start to accelerate the wear of the pump and potentially cause it to need service sooner. So when using your DI system and running that water through the pressure washer pump, it's important after you get done doing your wash that you flush the pressure washer with regular tap water. Another good tip for long-term storage, if you routinely use your DI water through the pump, it's also good practice to run some boat or RV antifreeze in there. That will aid in prohibiting that corrosion from happening to your brass and stainless steel surfaces. So while we're on this topic of your DI system, when you go to install it, please make sure that you get help if you don't know how to hook up the plumbing exactly right. There is a proper direction for the water to flow through here, and in one direction it gives you deionized water. In the opposite direction, it gives you deionizing media, and you don't want any of that crap getting inside your pump. It will cause it to lose pressure, and it will give us both a lot of headaches in trying to make it fixed. So if you use this, make sure that it's set up in the right direction. Make sure that when you use this, it's recommended to only use it for your final spot-free rinse. And after you finish using your DI water through your pressure washer, flush. So thank you for joining us here. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. I'm the original Josh with Kranzle USA Pressure Washer Perfection.
Kranzle USA Pressure Washer Perfection.